All right, what's going on, people? Ending my day a little early today. Um, had a little rough start in the my first trade, and then got back green. So I just want to end it on a positive note. Like I said yesterday, historically my Fridays are not that good. So if I can end up this, I can have a green day on Friday. Even though it's only $15, I go ahead and take it. Just to you know, uh, end the week on a positive note, especially after such a it's been a rough week for me. So it's good to end the week on a little bit of positivity. Uh, so you say see today we are we have some more pullback. We almost have retraced the full bullish move that we saw Wednesday. Um, but still, anything can happen here. A lot of other analysts, what I've seen, give their opinions on the market and their analysis. Um, we could still bounce here and continue bullish. Or it could drop some more. Um, and make this look a little better than that. Okay. All right, so maybe we could drop some more here. Maybe we come down here. We have some support in this area here. So, we could pull down there, maybe drop and bounce back up, or we could even, if you look at the cues, nah, this thing don't want to work. Okay. You see, we have a gap. Really interesting. We're retesting. It looks different on of course, it's going to be different than the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq is, I mean, the futures, because the futures are 24, almost 24. 23 hours actually. The futures are 23 hours, but so you see on the cues we're retesting that gap from Tuesday, but we also have another gap when I saw one of the other traders that I watch. So he was going over the cues, and he reviewed this gap right here, but he didn't really look at this gap, But usually we always at some point, when we have a gap like this, that the price, we usually retest those gaps. It could be, like within the a couple of days. It could be in the same week, or it could be months later. But at some point, the gaps usually get filled, and we retest the gap. So, um, if we break through this gap here, I think our next area to watch would be right here at 167.95. We have some pretty strong support there, but that's the bigger picture. Um, so you see today, I look at the 5 minute over here in TS Trader. You can also see my trades. So pretty much all day we've been selling off. It was just a little bit of, we had some, it started in the European session, and it took a break for a minute, but it's still bearish, slightly bearish. And when the market opened, we just continued on with the bearish move. I took a kind of an impatient trade here. I tried to go short, but I mean, it could have worked out. It's not really a terrible trade, but the price was really choppy. Um, One of the things that I'm trying to fine tune in my own uh, trading is what am I gonna look for when the price is really choppy like this. So I tried to time it here because I saw these two. This is kind of an inside candle, even though there's the wicks. There's still we still have this inside um, candle formed right here, and I went ahead and took it short there, but it it was the right move, really. In hindsight, it was the right direction, just too soon because it filled me, then it pulled back, stopped me out. I only took a small loss there, and then I didn't get it back in. I was a little frustrated. I was already really today. I wasn't in the right mindset anyway. I was thinking about not taking any trades at all, because um, just because I wasn't in the right mindset with some other things, and I got and there's some other things that I need to get done, which I'm going to do after I finish up with this recap. But so after that, I took that loss. I just, I stopped trading for a while. I didn't even look at the charts anymore. I saw this drop here, but I let it play out, and then kind of, by the time I could have also took this trade here, but I still wasn't really paying attention. And then I saw this move here, so I went ahead and took it. And this one I didn't let it play out fully because I saw there was a lot of resistance to continue going lower, and plus we had already dropped so far already. So just based off the price action, I went ahead and got out the trade. A little lucky because that is the bottom for that move right there. So that, and the main, and not only because of the price action, but because where it was then, I was back green for the day, because it took so it that put me, I think I was down like 150 or something like that, and then that put me at $15 green for the day. So I went ahead and took it, and I decided it was gonna be my last trade, and I'm wrapping things up now. So go ahead and leave your comments and questions below. If you like my videos, go ahead and you want to see more. I got more things in store for this channel, and in terms of building a strategy and just some insight that I've gained, over my time from trading, since I started with futures and before with stocks. So you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more. I'll see y'all